Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Joe and I'm an independent cloud consultant based in Sydney, Australia. This is a video series which will help you prepare for your Azure AI Engineer Associate certification. We will go through questions very similar to the exam and discuss in detail each and every options provided. Before we dive into the question, I would highly recommend a basic understanding of Azure AI services to understand what we are going to discuss. Now regarding me, I just watched one training to prepare for the exam, and with the help of that training, I passed the exam in the very first attempt. Although you can follow any trainings, I would highly recommend this one. I'll provide the link of the above said training in the description box. So let's get into the video. The format of the question is, a curl command is provided and we have to complete the command based on the requirements stated in the question. Now to the question. You have an Azure subscription with an Azure AI Content Safety resource named CS1. You need to send a request to CS1 to detect hateful language in user input. How should you complete the command? Then there is the curl command given, followed by options. Let us break down the question. What are the keywords present in the question? So it's regarding Azure AI Content Safety resource. Now, what do we expect this resource to do? So it has to detect hateful language in user input. So user will be giving some input at this language, which means the input is text input. And our content safety resource should detect hateful language present in that user input text. So to complete this requirement, how should we complete the command? That is the question. Now to the curl command. The curl command is followed by a post request to this API endpoint. And there are two blanks in this API endpoint. Now there is a header, which is the authentication header, which we are passing our subscription key of the CS1 resource, our content safety resource, to connect to the API. Then there is the content type, which is our payload is JSON. Now this is the data of the payload we are passing. So here is the text. The text we are passing is what is the weather forecast for London, and we have to find whether this text contains any hate in it. If any hate is present, you have to give the output as 4 severity levels. So there are 4 severity levels ranging from 0 to 6, 0 to 4 at 6. Those are the 4 severity levels. So based on the amount of hate present in the input, it will provide the severity level. So in this case, the output is going to be 0 because there is no hate present in this text we are passing. Now the question is, how should we complete this API endpoint? What should come in this 2 blanks? So let us get into the documentation. Now if we go through the Azure AI Content Safety Analyze Text Content documentation, here we can see Analyze Text Content. The following section walks through a sample request with curl, and this is how we complete the curl command. So we have to replace the endpoint in the curl command with the endpoint of our content safety resource and followed by the name of the service we are calling, that is we are calling content safety, then followed by text::analyze. This is how we complete the request, and then there is the API version. So this is how we fill the blanks, content safety / text::analyze. Now let us get back into the question. How should we fill the blanks? What are the correct options? Is it completions? No. Is it content safety? Yes, indeed it's content safety in the first blank. Now is it health insights? No. Is it language? No, we are not calling the language service. We are calling the content safety service. So here it is content safety. We are not calling the completions API of OpenAI. We are not calling the health insights API. We are not calling language service. We are calling content safety. Now in the second blank, is it embedding? No. Is it text::analyze? Yes, it is text::analyze. And note that if the question is asking about image, the user input is an image, then it will be image::analyze. So here it is text, so it is text::analyze in the second blank, and it is not text/blocklist. So the correct answers are content safety and text::analyze. Now what did we learn from this video? We learned how to send a curl command to our content safety resource to analyze text. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.